Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Max, and today we're going to be unboxing and giving some first impressions on the Amazon Fire HD Kids Edition. Now, I have two toddlers, and we actually purchased two of these as a part of our holiday gifts. Typically, I'm not a huge fan of screen time, but this year we have a couple 5+ hour car trips, along with a plane flight to Disney, so it felt time to have something like this as the nuclear option, so that we could give the kids something to entertain them for those long rides. The great thing about the Fire HD Kids Edition is the parental controls that Amazon does have built in. Not only can you control the content and apps that are available, as well as purchasing options, but you can also set up screen time and bedtime controls. This will be great as our kids get older and can have access to this independently. We can limit the amount of access that they have to the tablet, as well as limit their ability to use this after hours. So without further ado, let's get into the box and check out what's in here. So obviously this is the Mickey Mouse edition. And you see here we have the 8-inch tablet screen. Other than that, in the box, we have our quick start welcome instructions. And in this little section here, we have our charge accessories, which as you can see is a USB-C, which is great because now we basically have standard charging from all of our different devices. Now, the only real difference between the Kids Edition and the regular edition of a Fire HD tablet is this case that it comes in. It is a sort of rubbery foam that should keep the tablet safe from any kind of drop distance. This case also comes with a built-in kickstand that allows the tablet to stand up like this, or horizontally like this, and acts as a handy handle if you have a kid that is more prone to dropping it. The cases come in a variety of different colors. Ours just happened to be the Mickey Mouse version because that is what our kids are really into. Now, to get the case off, you simply pry at the two corners and the tablet pops out. And you can see without the case, it is basically just your standard Fire HD tablet. Popping it back in is also super easy. And yeah, this is a great starter tablet at a very affordable price of $159.99. If you just wanted to get a normal Fire HD tablet, I believe it is just $50 less, but then does not come with the protective case, which we are basically buying this for since this is for our children. The case also gives easy access to all of your buttons and has nice big cutouts for both the rear camera and the front camera. Now, booting this up, as I discussed at the beginning of the video, you can actually choose different filters based on who's using this. You can have age-filtered content, you can make it so it's filtered for a younger child, and also you can have curated browser settings so that your kid isn't free to surf the web at their leisure. This is great for a parent, especially one that is buying this as a first-time tablet for their child. You can also give them access to a larger assortment of apps beyond the curated kids section based on their age range, but you can manually select which apps they have access to and can download, which is also great if you have one child that needs access to certain things while another one you want to limit for the time being. It gives you a lot of control about the content that they're able to look at while using this device. You can also scroll through and add interest for your child depending on what they're into so that the app can more accurately suggest content for them to consume. And so after that, your profile will boot up and you are good to go to use this. And you can see all the suggested apps in the kids section and how it creates content specifically generated for your child. At any time, you can go to profile and actually switch profiles. And if you switch to a profile that's for one of the adult users on your Amazon account, it'll first prompt you to enter your password so your child cannot access your content. And then we'll essentially load what is a basic Amazon Fire HD tablet contents for you to use. Now, like I said, I got two of these, so I've actually been able to fiddle around with the one that we had already opened before this unboxing to give some first impressions. And I'm honestly pretty impressed. Coming from someone who's strictly used Apple products in the past, this is my first non-Apple tablet, and I have a few comments on that. The first is, if you are used to using Apple, it is not going to feel nearly as snappy, especially with the web browser, that the Apple does. Keep in mind, this is about a quarter of the price of an iPad, so that's kind of expected that this is a more affordable option. Beyond that, all the apps work exactly as expected, and I'm really happy with the work product based on our purposes for buying this specific laptop. Some other specs that you might want to consider is the fact that this includes a 1-year Amazon Kids Plus subscription, which gives you access to a wide range of kid-friendly content, including books, videos, and other video and app features. As you can see, it has the 8-inch HD display, but this tablet is also available in other sizes. It's got the dual cameras, both on the front and on the back. And while this is the 32GB version, it does accept microSD, so you can expand that memory if necessary in the future. You also do get an entire parental dashboard to manage all your parental settings and protections at any given time. Now, while this case is durable for all drop damage, it is not water resistant and there is no built-in screen protector, so those are both things you're gonna have to either look out for or add additional coverage for in the future if you want to protect from those type of damages. But yeah, we've been very impressed with these tablets so far, so let us know your thoughts in the comments if you think this is a good first tablet for a child. And as always, if you like this content and you want to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe to see more. Thank you for watching. Until next time.